our contestant number 8, Sarah Chang. Sarah, before you speak your platform, judges, the question today is, the girls have 3 minutes and 30 seconds to speak to someone who has never heard of Hmong people or whoever is Hmong. So the question is, you have 3 minutes and 30 seconds to tell that person or that organization who are Hmong. Who are Hmong?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to be back here and see each and every one of you. My name is Sarah Chang. The platform question is, who is Hmong? When I first heard of this question, I thought it was pretty simple, but as I examined it even deeper, it's much more complex than I thought it would be. Because of the natural broad question, I want to cover the area of why we are here in America. We are here in America because of the Vietnam War. Back then, General Vinh Pao is our leader, who made a contract with American CIA. Unfortunately, in this contract, it is that if we lost, the American CIA has to help find us a country. This is why we are here in America today, our new home. Here in America, life is very different to back then. Unlike back in Laos, where we farm for our own good, today in this world, we work, go to school, do business, and we are much more individual than we are back then when we are dependent for each other. As a true Hmong girl, I believe that Hmong people are here because we only want the biggest opportunities, the best that anyone could ever have in this world. So we are here in America because we want the opportunities that other people do have that we used to not ever have back when we were in Laos. Thank you.